Hello, it's me again, Claudia Cotter with the Wheat2School program. You're now in Module 4, Wheat2School Education Resources. So welcome to Module 4. Please make sure to watch this video on YouTube before completing the assigned activities on this module. Let's start with a quick recap of Module 3. Remember, in Module 3, you learn about growing your wheat garden in different spaces. You learn about the 6 different wheat classes, to design your wheat garden plot, about garden boxes, and some materials and tools you need to plant your wheat. If you need to review Module 3 before you move into Module 4, please take some time to do that before you start with this module. So with this module, you'll learn to find the Wheat2School lessons, teach using the Wheat2School garden as a tool, implement the garden education and in-classroom program. Remember that all our lesson materials are located in our website, wheat2school.com. And here's a link that will take you directly to our website. Please take time on your own navigating that website and learning where you can find the lessons and resources. We have 14 lessons available for you to use. Each lesson is structured with a lesson plan, video script, worksheets, answer key, activities, other resources such as infographics, Edpuzzle for all lessons, and a final lesson 14 as a review lesson in Kahoot. There is also an additional lesson called Data Collection that is intended to be part of your garden lessons. Please click the title or the picture to find that lesson. This is a photo of one of our UC Davis plant breeding students teaching one of our students at our local elementary school about cross-pollination using the school wheat garden and plant. Lessons 1 through 4 are more related to the wheat plant itself. For example, Lesson 1 is about the wheat plant and introduction to wheat in general terms. Lesson 2 is about soil testing, which you can do outside in the garden or inside the classroom. Lesson 3 is the story of Norman Borlaug and the importance of his work in the Green Revolution. And Lesson 4 is about the different parts of a wheat plant itself. Lessons 5 through 8 include information about wheat in food science, for food purposes and nutrition, but also it includes a lesson on wheat in our society as part of the anthropology lesson. Lesson 9 through 12 provide a variety of lessons that includes a wheat kernel quest, wheat as part of the grains group in my plate, introduction to gluten in wheat, and wheat in breeding science. Finally, lesson 13 is related to flour making, and the final lesson, lesson 14, is a review lesson. The review lesson provided to you for your students is in Edpuzzle. Here is a link directly to that lesson review if you would like to explore the information in the lesson. However, you can find all the lessons in our website, wheat2school.com. Here are some photos of our students doing some of our lessons inside the classroom. The first picture is the lesson titled Parts of a Wheat Plant. For this lesson, our students intern leading this lesson brought in a wheat plant and asked students to label each part. Picture 2 and 3 are part of our soil testing lesson we also did inside the classroom. For our garden education, students use the wheat garden to do math, like we show here in pictures 1 and 2. Picture 1 shows the students measuring the amount of grain harvested. Picture 2 shows the students using a measuring tape to measure the length of the plot to calculate yield. And the last picture shows our student learning about plant science. As you can see, the garden provides a tremendous number of opportunities to teach kids about several subjects that align with Education Common Core standards. Each lesson plan provided here includes the specific Common Core standards that align with educational standards. So we hope the educational resources provided in this Module 4 are useful to you as you implement your Wheat Garden program. And with these, congratulations, you have completed Module 4. Please click on the link Module 4 Evaluation to provide us with your feedback. Thank you and see you in Module 5.